How does data move securely on a blockchain? Imagine sending a message that everyone can see but no one can change. That's what happens when data moves on a blockchain. It's like a digital highway built with special locks and rules to keep everything safe. First, the data is broken into small pieces called transactions. These transactions include details like who is sending what, to whom, and when. To prove it's really you, your device signs the transaction with a digital signature, which is like a secret code only you know. This signature makes sure no one else can pretend to be you. Once signed, the transaction is sent out to many computers in the network, called nodes. These nodes check the transaction to make sure everything adds up. They verify your digital signature and confirm you have enough funds or rights to do the transfer. If everything checks out, the transaction moves to the next step. The nodes then gather several transactions into a block. Think of this as a page in a digital ledger. This block is sealed with a special code called a hash, which is created by combining all the data in the block with the previous block's hash. If anyone tries to change the data later, the hash will change, and everyone will know it's been tampered with. To add this block to the chain, the network uses a process called a consensus mechanism. In proof-of-work systems, nodes race to solve a complex math puzzle. The first one to solve it earns the right to add the block. In proof-of-stake systems, nodes are chosen based on how much cryptocurrency they hold and are willing to stake as collateral. This process makes sure only valid blocks are added and everyone agrees on the current state of the ledger. Once the block is added, every node updates its copy of the blockchain. This means the data is stored in many places at once, making it very hard to lose or attack. Even if some nodes go offline, the network keeps running smoothly. This secure way of moving data is used in many areas like cross-border payments, where transactions settle in minutes, or supply chain tracking, which keeps a transparent record of goods from start to finish. So, through decentralization, cryptography, and collective agreement, data on a blockchain stays safe, trustworthy, and tamper-proof.